Welcome to Beautiful Designs by Donna. I'm Donna, and in this tutorial I want to share with you a little eyeliner trick. So do you have trouble, getting that liner really close to the lash line without getting that space that happens between the lash line and the liner? I mean, this especially happens a lot to people with more mature eyes because the skin of the lids are not as smooth and you have that little wiggle room happening all the time. I know for a fact because this 57-year-old woman has it happening to her. So if you struggle with your eyeliner, then this eyeliner trick is for you. And let's get started with the tutorial. The first step that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do a little bit of tight lining, and I'm going to take a black waterproof gel eye pencil and I'm going to draw a fine line right underneath my lash line. Now you don't have to do this step, but I like to do it because I like to give the illusion that my lashes are thicker than what they are. So when you're going to do this, you're going to pull up gently and you're going to draw the pencil under the lashes, but you're not going to use the tip, because if you do, you're going to poke eyes out. Trust me, I've done that. Actually, what you're going to do is you're going to use the side of the pencil and you're going to do like a series of little dots. It's going to be like connecting the dots. So you see the difference? Looks like I have thicker lashes. So remember to pull up and you just gently draw a series of dots under the lashes. Next, I'm going to be using a brown gel waterproof pencil, and I like to use brown because it's just very natural. Now, when you get that space I was talking about, when you draw with the pencil, you don't just draw a line. It's going to be a series of dots. So think of connect the dots. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull up on the lid. You're going to make the skin taut. You don't want to pull sideways because if you do that, it kind of distorts the line. So you pull up and then you have that space. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the side of the pencil, not the tip, okay, the side, and you're going to start with little dots and you gently start drawing them, and you're kind of like you're aiming at the roots of your lashes. So if you kind of aim for that, you automatically go right above your lash line. I know it's a mental thing, but think of drawing right into your lash roots. So you dot, 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 and you can go back over and make it thicker if you like. I generally make it a little thicker on the outer portion of the eye. Now, there's an imaginary line from the corner of your eye to your eyebrows. And when it comes to us older ladies, our lids are drooping, so you definitely don't want to pass that line. Now, if you have issues with drawing a line, I found this really cute, this really awesome tool. It's by Beauty Blender. It's called their Liner Designer, and it's like a stencil. And you can hold it there, and then you can kind of use powder as your liner or pencil as a stencil so you don't go past that line. You see, I always like to double check to make sure I don't go past that line because it will pull your eyes down. The line won't pull your eyes down, but it will give you an illusion that your eyes are just drooping down, and that will aid you. So you want to make sure you don't go past that imaginary line from the corner of your eye to your eyebrows. And I like to line the bottom of my lash line, and I just take again, it's a series of little dots, and I kind of go right at the roots of my lashes there, and I go about 3/4 of a way. For my eye shape, it's best for that. And then I go back and I smudge it, and I like to soften the line, because as you get older you already have the wrinkles, so when you have these harsh eyeliner it just makes those wrinkles even worse. So you just want to soften it. And some people don't even wear under eyeliner, but I prefer with it. It looks good on my shaped eyes. This is my favorite cotton swab to use when I'm doing makeup. The reason why I love these is that the cotton that's tightly wound around the stick, it's wonderful because it doesn't leave those fibers that those other baby cotton swabs do. And there it is. I have my eyeliner all done and I'm ready to continue with the rest of my makeup. I hope you found this tutorial informative and you give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments about what you watched, feel free to leave them in the comment box. I'd be happy to answer them. And if you want a little one-on-one interaction, guess what, you can. I'm now offering virtual makeup lessons in the comfort of your own home. I'll be offering several different classes for which to choose. They will be fun and each class will be designed for you. No two classes are the same because no two people are. So I will leave that information about the classes in the description box. One more thing. Please subscribe because I don't want you to miss out any videos like this one. I'm going to be covering all sorts of different subjects that interest me and I hope they interest you. Like, of course, makeup, skincare, bead weaving, and DIY projects for the home and garden. Again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.